Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. I hope you are all well and having a fantastic week. If you're not already a subscriber, then please do click the link down below and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you a new handbag that I have, and it is from Louis Vuitton. Yes! Now this is actually a birthday gift, so I didn't actually purchase this, so I'm truly grateful. It's always nice getting stuff for free. So this was a birthday present, but yeah, I saw this on the website and just loved it. So I thought, you know what, maybe if I love it, then you might love it too. So let me show you what's inside here. Okay, so inside the bag is this box, and as you can see, it's not a very big handbag. It's quite a small dinky one, but I did love it when I saw it. I was like, oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. And inside the box is this. And this is the vertical trunk pochette. I think something like that, vertical pochette trunk, something like that anyway. And this is so gorgeous. Look at this. Now it comes with a strap as well, so let me put the box down. So let me show you this first of all. So as you can see, you've got the little clasp there, and then it opens up into like this little trunk just there, so you can see how narrow it is. And basically I just wanted this really for my phone. There's a little section in here, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little section in there that you can also put your cards, and that's about it really. It is quite a decent height, so you can fit in like a lipstick and a few other bits and pieces, but for me, I mainly use it kind of for my phone, some cards, and then just some other bits and bobs. And let me put the strap on so I can show you also the strap. There we go, and that's it with the strap as well. So it's a really good strap length, but as you can see here, you can also alter the length, and there's about 4 or 5 holes there, so you can wear it as high or as low as you want to basically. But I just love it. I think it's such a gorgeous little bag. And it was interesting because I went to London one day, and I thought, oh, I wonder if I can manage just going around London with this and not a bag, because normally I like to have an umbrella in my bag and some other stuff in my bag, but I actually did okay. I did well. I did have to use the pockets on my coat more than I normally would, just to put a few other bits in there, but this was so lovely. I absolutely love it. So this retails at I think it's 1,360, something like that. And I just think it's super cool. That's the back side there as well. And I just think it's such a cool little bag. So if you're going out in the evening and you don't want to carry too much, then this is also, you know, a perfect little bag. I think they have a version that kind of goes horizontal as well. It's a little bit bigger, it's more money. But I didn't need that. I just really wanted something that I can just kind of like put my phone in, a couple of cards, a couple of other bits, and then I can just go on my merry way. So yeah, I got this for my birthday. Praise the Lord. So I really love it. I think it's a gorgeous little bag. So if you're looking for something similar, you want something that's small, looks good, is super cute, and you know, that just is something that's just really kind of classic really. This will stand the test of time for years, I should think. Then something like this might be great. Obviously it's got the gold hardware, so you know, depending on if you like that or not, then that's something to think about. But this has got all gold hardware on it, and I just think it's a gorgeous bag. So yeah, so this is the Louis Vuitton vertical trunk pochette, something like that. Or vertical pochette trunk. or something like that. Anyway, Google it, you'll find it. So I just wanted to share that with you, that yeah, this is what I got for my birthday. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it's just given you a little insight into kind of like what's new in Louis Vuitton at the moment. And if you're looking for something just small that you know, you're going out to events, or you're going out for dinner and you don't want to take a great big handbag, then that's a cute little bag to take. So don't forget to click subscribe, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.